three tiny homeless animals chosen to live in this tiny house and think of ideas to help their friends back at the shelter. They are Nerdles.
Waggle, I was thinking maybe this dresser is a little bit too small.
I'll probably just wear this every day.
Wow, boys are so gross.
I absolutely love clothes, and I want to start my own fashion line one day for cats and kittens that makes our tails look good, because my tail looks so big sometimes, I just can't stand it. And I like for my shirts to be low maintenance. This one, I've got to clean every few minutes. How, 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 how. There's my tail. Oh gosh, I just want to grab it and... I need to get in shape. I'm going to start spending an hour every morning on the scratching post.
Hey, Waggle, what do you think this word on the wall says?
PB, I think it says, let Waggle take a nap.
Really? You're so smart. Hey, you want to play?
Wow, I'm in disbelief. Hey, you know what? How about we go look at the last part of this house we haven't seen yet?
Okay.
Nobody's letting me nap, so I want to go see the last room in this house, and I don't really care if it's a closet, as long as it gives me some space away from Boo and Waggle so I can get my nap on.
Hi, I'm PB, and there's one more room in this house we haven't seen, and Waggle wants to go see it, which, we already have a food and potty room, and a really cool bedroom, and another really cool bedroom, so I don't think it could get any better than this, but we should probably go because Waggle's getting kind of grouchy.
Hey man, I heard that,
Oh, hey.
and I wouldn't be grouchy if you would just let me take a nap.
Okay, yeah, let's go check out that room.
Look, I'm a cat. I hallucinate all the time, but I could not believe my eyes when I saw our living room.
Hey, Waggle, come play.
Okay, I'm coming, PB. And I just am so grateful to be here. Look at this room. We have got our own TV now. Like, we can watch TV shows, and then we got this tree here in a room. Wow.
Here, let me come sniff it to see if it's food. Nope, it's not.
Good looking out, PB.
The furniture in the living room is leopard print, which, besides pink and purple, is my favorite color.
Boo, have you seen this fake tree in the corner over here?
Hey guys,
come on.
Can I come sit with you for a little bit? Isn't this living room awesome? It's so comfy on this couch, too, and...
I'm gonna sit on this couch every day and watch all of my Real Housewives shows.
Well, I'll just take a nap during that show.
I love our new living room, and I hope we're allowed on the furniture, even though if we weren't allowed on the furniture, I'd probably still get on it, and someone could even tell me for weeks or months that I'm not allowed on it, and I would still get on there. I like furniture. But I hope in the living room we can get together and think of ideas to help our friends, because I really want to help our friends back at the shelter.
You are helping homeless animals just by watching and sharing Nerdles videos, as half of all proceeds from advertising and t-shirts are donated to animal shelters in the United States and Canada. New episodes premiere on the Nerdles YouTube channel every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and as always, thanks for helping homeless animals.